back to my channel. So I didn't want it, but don't mind this background because this idea suddenly came into my mind that why not post a video of making tteobokki. I have already prepared the the dough for the rice cake. As you can see, this one that I have used the rice flour with some lukewarm water. I needed it. Now I will be covering it with one cloth for about 10 minutes. So I can't find any clothes, so I'm just gonna keep it like this only. This one. Let's just keep it in here and we'll make the tteokbokki sauce, which is most needed one. So I have found this website where they are doing the tteokbokki. They've showed me the tteokbokki recipe. So I'll just show you here. I have just told us all the ingredients we'll be needing for our tteokbokki wine, and I'll be adding more and more. Like, I'll just see all the steps they have. All the steps they have here did here. So now let's go. It's been 10 minutes. The tteokbokki has been setting. Now I'll boil some water and throw in the tteokbokki. Yes. This is the next part. Now I'll be rolling the tteokbokki. This is how you need to do this. And we'll be just making it into long cylindrical ones. If it's breaking, don't worry. It should be like this. The first one, this is the second one, it's breaking. So we have nothing to do. No, nothing to do. Sugar videos, fine, doesn't matter. If you guys have cheese, so add cheese and stuff and all. It's upon you. If you want cheese slices, you can add cheese slices. If you want parmesan shredded cheeses, you can add parmesan shredded cheese. I'm going to add, I think that's it. What cheese, I don't know. But I'll be showing you guys the cheese I'm having it. So here, all the tteokbokkis are rolled in dough. It. Ding ding. This guy's broke. It was a long dough. They break it into pieces like planaria. So we're cutting little pieces. Like, see. All done. Now these pieces are being made in hot water. The water has started to boil. We'll be giving out the tteokbokkis in here. Give all the sizes of tteokbokkis. Don't mind me, guys. This is the first time I'm making tteokbokki, so doesn't matter. All it matters is put in your hearts. Put your heart in it, so it will taste all better, all good, everything. Water. Yeah, this last piece, and this is how my tteokbokkis look like. We need to boil this for 10 minutes. Oh my god, starting to lose. Oh my god, don't. You need to just keep it still like 10 minutes, or you can toss it, but I don't think I need to toss this because there's enough water for my tteokbokkis. Please don't lose this, y'all. I'm scared. I'm legit scared. But let's hope for the best and let's see. Let's wait for 10 minutes so that will be. Oh my god. I feel so excited. Let's hope for the best, y'all. Let's hope for the best, please. Please, please, please. Got the tteobokki, as you can see the tteobokki. Now I'm going to make the sauce where I'll put all the ingredients. Yes. So here are my all the ingredients. So let's get started. I have already given oil. Oil I have given. If you want, you can add. If you want, you can add some sesame seeds. But as I'm not having sesame seeds, I'll directly go with the gochujang. I made this. If you guys don't have gochujang, you can add some vinegar, some green some green chili sauce, some ketchup, some soy sauce, and one dry red chili and one small this size piece of ginger. Mix it and you'll be having this paste. As you can see, this paste, I've added a bit much of vinegar, so that's the reason it's just like water. So we'll be adding something first, because if in this one, if I put this paste, I'm surely gonna burn. This one's gonna be a spicy one. Oh my god. So I'll be just adding some jeera so that it doesn't just shoot right into me. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Jeera will be working as a sesame seed. I'm so tired. Right now. Like, I'm going to put this on standby. So yeah, this is my pan. First, now I'll be adding this paste over here. So let's just set up the camera right in here. No, in here. Fine. Then it's fine over. Add some water. Add some water into it. You can see, oh my god, my burning. Here, just touch it down. Paste. It's going to get there. Next, after it's all done, if all things are right, I'll be adding some black pepper, some red chili powder, make it more. It's all nice. We'll be adding some black pepper. Let's see, guys. Oh my god. I'm just gonna go with a little bit of spiciness, some red chili powder. Oof. Mix it. It smells spicy. Ooh. I'm gonna add some sugar in it, some sugar to just make it less spicy because I can't undo the spice now. Sugar is added. By telling sugar, I remember sugar, so I'm so cringe. Why? Now I will be adding some salt. It's so hard to walk with one hand. Some salt. In this kitchen, we don't measure things. So do as I like. I've been so camera friendly before. I've been not posting because I was having some issues. I seems like the issues died down. So I think I'll be posting, or I think I'll be keeping a gap some days because I might start watching you guys. Just look at this. After this looks so good, but in this frame it looks so bad. We'll be adding the tteobokki one by one. It would have been great if I would have added sesame seeds. Sesame seeds would have been playing out really great role. But who cares? Just pour all this. I can't. I don't having any patience. Fine. No. Fine. Tuk. Okay. This looks so good. So good. I'm thinking of adding some water. It to be more precisely good. Add some water. Now we'll let it boil for some minutes on high flame. 1 to 3. So that it's going to get really good. But this the smell is so poisonous yet very tasty. Yeah. Oh, fine. Okay. Oh, guys. Stop, y'all. You're making me blush. Ha. Fine. Cook. Tick. I'm so happy. That is finally cooking. Cooking. Just do. Look at this. This proves that I am in Indian. These cheetahs proves I'm an Indian. Okay, time to get this off the stove. Now. I'm decorating it and then I'll be showing you guys. Now the taste. So here's what the bookie. This was the cheese. So Anyways, we'll try with the cheese one only. It's fine, I'd say, but it's tight actually. It become the tteokbokki is so tight. I wanted it to become a little bit loose and spicy. The smell of spice I can't handle. I'm sweating. So I'll be finishing this one. Actually, it's quite good. I won't be lying. It is quite good. I still didn't had all the ingredients. Still, I made this, and the recipe is not mine. This whoever had this recipe just said it goes straight to them. But it's so spicy. So guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, take care. It's cold out there, really. I don't know. Maybe next time I can post. So, till then, bye, guys.